Hey guys, welcome. So how do you send emails using Apollo tutorial basically is what I'm doing. So first and foremost, I'm gonna need you to go to your Apollo site, of course. So Apollo provides ready-to-use email templates that are visually appealing and professionally designed. This ensures your email look, polished basically and attractive to recipients. So once you get your email address on par with your Apollo, then you shouldn't be having any trouble at all. Like you're going to be composting like a regular email nonetheless. So if it's connected to your Gmail especially, and that's it. All you have to do is once it's interconnected and it's linked up, your Gmail will be linked with your Apollo. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.